So we have 20 bottles of pills. 19 bottles have 0-gram pills. So this is important. But one bottle has 1.1 gram pills. You have a scale that you can use only once. How would you find the heavy bottle? So how can we solve this? And especially how we can solve it in one measurement. So let's say this is our bottle. And what are we gonna do? We're gonna label it. This is gonna be the first one. This is the second one, the third one, and so on. We need to label them. What happens then from the first bottle? From the first bottle, we are only gonna take one pill. From the second bottle, we are taking 2 pills. From the third one, we are taking 3 pills, and so on. And we are going all the way until the last bottle where we take 20 pills. Okay, so we have all these bottles. So we are picking 1 pill from the first bottle, 2 from the second, 3 from the third, all the way to the 20th, and we put all of those guys on the scale and we measure their weight. I assume the scale looks something like this. Why am I spending so much time drawing this? Right. And we put all of our pills on the scale. And we need to measure their total weight. Now, if all the bottles had pills that weighed 1 gram, so we would have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus if plus 3, because we are picking 3 pills from the third bottle, all the way to 20, and we can sum this using the formula n plus 1 over 20. So what's this? It's 20 times 20 plus 1 over 2. So we can divide this, going to be 10 times 21 is 210. So if all the pills were having 1 gram, if all the bottles were having 1 gram pills, it would be 210 grams. But since one bottle has pills that weigh 1.1 grams, the total weight will be slightly higher. And how we can identify the heavy bottle? Because the extra weight will be corresponding to the number of pills taken from the heavy bottle. For example, if the third bottle had the heavy pills, the total weight would be 210 grams, 0.3, because these 0.3 come from these 3 pills that we have here. And why is this working? Because each bottle is contributing an amount to the total weight. And if we take a different number of pills from each bottle, the position of the heavy bottle is included in the weight difference. You know, if the 7th bottle contains the heavy pills, we know we are taking 7 pills from the 7th bottle, and the weight on the scale will be, okay, we have the sum, and the 7th one will be multiplied by 1.1, so it's going to be 7.7. So we know that these extra 0.7 grams are coming from the bottle 7.